Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to your junior KG class, and I am your Bansri ma'am. Now tell me, what did we learn yesterday in Hindi? Yes, we learned Swar.
Today we will revise Swar from this chart. A से अनार, आ से आम, ई से इमली, ई से ईख, ऊ से उल्लू, ऊ से ऊन, री से ऋषि, ए से एक, ए से ऐनक, ओ से ओखली, औ से औरत, अन से अंगूर, अह खाली.
Do you remember? Yesterday we did an activity of Swaroki Rail Gadi. Now today we are going to do one more activity on that rail gadi. Are you ready to do it?
Here we have our Swaroki Rail Gadi which we made yesterday and some pictures related to Swar. What we will do? We will arrange these pictures according to Swar on our Swaroki Rail Gadi. Tell me, which is the first Swar? A. Now what we will do? We will find a say anar from this tray and we will put this picture beside Swar. Now next Swar is A. A say am. So we will put this picture beside A. A say am. Now next Swar is E. E say Imli. So we will pick this picture from tray and we will put it next to Swar. So E say Imli. Now which is the next Swar? E. E say Eek. So we will put this picture beside E. E say Eek. Now which is the next Swar? U. U say Ullu. So let's put this picture next to Swar. Very good. Now which is the next word? Oo. Oo say oon. So let's find it. Yes. Now we will again put this picture next to oo. Now after oo, which word is there? Re. Re say Rishi. So let's put it there. Very good. Now next is A. A say AD. So we will put this picture beside Swar. Next is A. A say Ainak. Yes, we will put this picture next to A. Now after A, which swar is there? O. O say Oakley. So let's put it there. Very good. Now next is Ow. Ow say Aurat. Yes, it is there. So let's put it there. Now next is Un. Un say yeah, I have only last picture. So let's take it and put it there. Very good. Un say Angur. And last is Aha. Aha say कुछ नहीं. So our Swaroki rail gadi with related pictures is ready.
Very good. Now I am going to give you one worksheet. First of all, I am going to explain you, and then you all have to do it by yourself at your home.
Kids, this is your worksheet to practice at home. In this worksheet, what you have to do? You have to match swar with related picture. आपको अक्षर को उसके सही चित्र से मिलाना है. Now tell me, which is the first swar? A. A से क्या होता है? अनार. So we will match A with अनार. Now which is the next word? री. री से क्या होता है? री से ऋषि. So we will match री with ऋषि. Now which is the next word? आ. आ से आम. So we will match आ with आम. Now next word is an. An से अंगूर. So we will match ang with अंगूर. Now which is the next word? O. O से ओखली. So we will match O with ओखली. And last word is E. E से इमली. So we will match E with इमली.
Okay, children. Bye bye. Stay home. Stay safe.